Morning, morning, people. We have got this Mercedes Sprinter 2.1 in for loss of power and engine management light on. So I'm going to quickly run through the process in which we are diagnosing this car or this van this morning. You may have seen this actually on the channel previously. I actually did it had a lot of water coming in the inside because it's been converted into a motorhome, and we ended up taking the whole roof vent out and resealing it all. But if you haven't seen that, another good video to go and have a look. But let's diagnose this one and see what we've got going on. Okay, so first things first, guys. The all-important diagnostic. So we have got engine management light on. We do a quick scan on the trusty Autel, and you can see we've got a few. Let's see what we got. Okay, so glow plug, no problem. Interested on the ESP. I have had these before on these Sprinters when it ends up being a corroded relay under here, but that's probably another video. We're not worried about that, but we have got the engine management light on. Okay, well, nothing clearly obvious. If he's saying he's got no boost, he's got no pressure. Okay, so we'll start the vehicle up, and we've got interesting, no engine management light on. Seems to rev all right. Sounds a little bit fruity. Let's have a quick look on here. As you can see, we have got the engine fault code, so we'll go in there. And what I really want to do is have a quick look at the live data to see what it is doing behind the scenes. So let's have a quick look in the live data, and I want to be checking the individual actual value group. So that will give me each individual sensor circuit, what we can see on here. Let's have a quick look. So we've got atmospheric pressure, which is fine. We've got the engine RPM, which is fine. Oil temperature sensor, that's fine. Oh, boost pressure out of range. Exhaust back pressure. So there we go. I can see something straight away. So we have got a -6 in the differential pressure sensor. So what we've either got, normally when I see a negative reading like that, we've normally got a split pipe or a crack somewhere, or we've got something going on, or a faulty sensor. So we need to be concentrating on potentially the DPF, the cat, the exhaust, because I can see here boost pressure. I can see we've got an issue here with negative pressure for the DPF. Let's have a quick look, see what we got, guys, because clearly we have something going on down here. So we've got the turbo down on this side. I can't hear anything untoward. Let's have a quick look, see what we've got going on. Oh, getting old. Right, let's have a look to see. So, there's the DPF. I wonder if we've got a leak in the exhaust anywhere. Oh, let's go on and have a look. So, right, it's looking very sooty under here, guys. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. Split on the flexi. So we know we're going to have to pull the cat out and hopefully find a replacement part for this one. But there we go. It's detached. Right, people, we are back on with the Mercedes Sprinter. Now, those who watched the earlier part of this video, because I'm hoping to do it in one, will know that we had in the live data a negative pressure in the exhaust system. Now, we went underneath and we found that the flexi joint had come completely apart on the exhaust system. So we was getting a boost reading that was different. We had a problem with the differential pressure. We're showing a negative, which we know a negative pressure in there normally is a crack. It's pulling in air from elsewhere. So this is a nightmare, because to buy that whole complete cat and exhaust system is mega expensive. Mercedes don't even do it anymore. They were telling me it's discontinued, so we had no choice. But I have found online they do a repair kit, so it must be a common issue. And what's really nice about it, look, Dans Automotive on the clamp. What a nice little touch. So the idea with this is that in there, we're going to cut the exhaust next to the bracket, and I'm going to weld this piece in, so saving the customer an absolute fortune. But to do this, we're going to strip the catalytic converter off the vehicle. Hopefully everything's going to come undone. It has been soaking overnight, and then I'll get that welded up, guys, and hopefully job's a good one. So we'll get it on time lapse. Let's get this repaired. Let's have a quick look at this exhaust. See what we were saying. There you go. There you go, guys. So that was a reason for the negative pressure in the exhaust system. So the plan is going to be, we are going to have to cut as close to this bracket as possible so we can re-weld this on and then sleeve the new section on that. So basically, guys, what we're going to do, we are going to be cutting this section here just after the exhaust section here, and just before it starts with the corrugated part of this. And then the idea is this sleeves inside here, and then we'll put a bead of weld around it, and that should be good to go. So let's cut this off. So using our £79.99 Tamu hitbox welder, we are going to give this a go. Obviously we need to make sure we've got some dippy end stuff going on to stop the splatter. Not sure if it does much. I think it does, but we'll give that a go. We're going to be welding at the 150. Not going to go 200, I don't think. Yeah, we're set at 150. We're on the 0.8 flux core wire in MIG. We're at 151 actually. So, first problem, Dan. We're going to need to bring this forward to enable us to put the earth on. But I don't want to mess up your dimensions. We are just going to tack a weld round on here and see what we have got going on. Make sure you don't look with your eyes. Right, so we have tacked that on there just so we can get a tack on, and then we'll move it around just so we can get a decent bead on here. Right, let's turn the hitbox off. What we're going to do, guys, just to make sure that that weld is where it should be, we're going to smoke test it. So well, we'll find out in a minute, because the smoke will be coming out of it. Oh yeah, that'd be better, wouldn't it? That is the exhaust fitted. Let's have a quick look. Ugh, still getting old. That is, as you can see, the new pipe fitted that we had welded to the cat. So what have we got now then, guys? Ugh. Engine light is off. We have got boost pressure back. Lovely. This is what we wanted to see, even though I can't actually see out here because it is just so sunny. But as you can see, guys, we have got the boost pressure back and under control. Right, that is back off a test drive. Let's have a look what we got. Fantastic. So now we have got no fault codes, just how we like it. So another one fixed, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, and we can produce more videos that help you and make you laugh at the same time. So stay tuned to the next one, guys.